Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at leveraging SEMrush for competitive keyword analysis. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Let's begin with the SEMrush dashboard. Now, this is your command center for all the tools and data SEMrush has to offer. Now, when you first log in, you'll land on this main interface, which is structured around two key things: navigation and project management. You'll see on the left-hand side here, this is our navigation panel. Now, this is our main tool set broken into categories. So you've got your domain overview, and that's a high-level view of any website's SEO, traffic, and backlink profile. Of course, you could just enter in the domain name here and just search for it. You do also have the option then to go for worldwide, or if you are trying to look for local keywords as well, or just see how the domain overview is within a specific area, you can set it to, let's just say, United Kingdom, United States, Germany, France. So that's the domain overview. Now, there is also the keyword research, and that is the keyword overview. And you've also got the keyword magic tool. So we'll just have a look at the keyword overview here. So again, you'll just enter in a couple of keywords there. You can see some examples given. Now, make sure that you're looking for something specific within your business or whatever you need to research for keywords. Now, you also have the keyword magic tool as well. Again, pretty much the same thing there. It'll just give you some keyword suggestions for your SEO. And then you could actually have a look at the list on how it kind of looks. Just gives you an overall idea of what exactly is going on, like where you already rank, topical groups, personalized metrics, and fresh data. Now, for competitive research, there are tools for analyzing other domains like the traffic analytics, the keyword gap, and the backlink gap. I'll just show you that now. So as you can see there, explore competitors, website traffic stats, discover growth points, and amplify your marketing strategy. You can check competitors. You can even create a list or analyze in bulk. So just enter the domains here, and you'll just go on from there. So that's a little bit of competitive research. You can also have a look at the keyword gap here. Again, you do a comparison between your domain and other competitors. And then, of course, you have your backlink gap as well. With link building, of course, you need to make sure that you're covering backlinks, audits, and outreach tools. Now, there is an option there for you, which is located here at link building. You can see there's backlink analytics, backlink audit, link building tools, and bulk analysis. Now, if you're mainly looking for on-page and technical SEO, it's located here. Now, that includes the site audit, an on-page SEO checker, and a log file analyzer. Now, these are all really good as well, just to see how the website's currently performing. If there's any ongoing SEO issues like missing headers or missing meta descriptions as well, even meta titles too, it'll go ahead and pick up on that for the site audit. Now, over on the home screen or under the projects tab, now you can manage individual websites you're pretty much actively working on, and each project allows you to run regular site audits. You can track keyword positions, set up backlink monitoring, audit on-page SEO, schedule automated reports, and as well as that, track social media or even Google Ads if it's relevant. So an example for this is if you are managing multiple client websites or campaigns, projects give you a clean way to group all tools and data per site, and that keeps everything contained and reportable. Now, just at the very top here, where you could see enter domain, URL, or keyword, this is the search bar functionality. Now, this is a universal search bar. This is where your analysis begins. You can type in your domain, you can type in a keyword, a URL, or even backlink or keyword group. Now, this tool will route you automatically to the most relevant report, whether that's domain overview, keyword overview, or traffic analytics. Now, for example, if you're entering a competitor's domain here, it'll immediately open a domain overview, and that'll show you the organic traffic, their paid traffic, backlinks, and top performing pages. Now, just a little practical tip for agencies or even teams. One key tip is make use of projects and scheduled reports together. Now, for each client, create a dedicated project and set up weekly or monthly reports that track site health, visibility, and keyword movement. Now, this saves time and it ensures proactive updates as well. Now, let's look at keyword research. Now, this is a core part of planning SEO and a content strategy. Now, the keyword overview tool gives you quick stats like search volume, keyword, difficulty, cost per click, and SERP features, or search engine results pages features. Now, this helps you understand if a term is competitive or worth targeting. Now, for deeper exploration, like I've showcased earlier on, is the keyword magic tool. Now, this pulls thousands of related keyword suggestions and lets you filter by question, terms, intent, or volume. Now, we use this to build out keyword clusters. An example would be a landing page supported by multiple blog topics around the same theme. All this helps you target the full customer journey. So we'll just use the keyword overview as an example. Let me try digital marketing. Then, of course, you can enter a domain for personalized data. You can also set the location, which for us will be United Kingdom. And then I can also search up exactly where I want to target, which is for us, Belfast, Northern Ireland. But in order for us to use this, we will have to upgrade our plan. But this will do for now. So I've went ahead and selected digital marketing as our keyword overview. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see that the search volume here is 40.5K. However, the keyword difficulty is around 66%. So it does say you will need to have 63 referring domains and optimized content here to complete here. Okay, it's perfectly fine. It's also telling us how the global volume is. So currently in India, it's 301,000. We're also seeing the cost per click and the competitive density as well. Current ads being ran are 14. Now, if I do want to as well, I can update these metrics or export to PDF so I can have a better idea as to what digital marketing is being used for. Now, if I scroll down here, you'll see we have a couple of options there for keyword ideas. So keyword variations, 150,000 in total. Now, there's digital marketing, of course. We do also have what is digital marketing agency, marketing course, marketing jobs. Now, on the right side here, you'll see keyword difficulty. If you do hover over it, any, of course, in green are going to be easy, but any in red, of course, will be fairly hard. And it also tells you exactly what you need to do. So you will need lots of high quality ref domains and optimized content in order to use digital marketing agency with the likes of course here. So possible. You will need well structured and unique content. There's another one here as well, which is difficult. So you will need lots of reference domains and optimized content as well. So just gives you 4 different options, which is green. Then of course you've got yellow, and then you've got orange, and you've got red as well. There are questions here as well. It gives us an idea of what keywords are being used. So what is digital marketing? How to start digital marketing? What is SEO and digital marketing? So this gives us an option or an idea to create a blog based off the questions being asked. Now I've went ahead and clicked on the questions. You could see here that it's given us a couple of options there. Of course, we need to activate the full version in order to see everything, but currently this is what we're seeing. You can see here we don't have anything in green, but there is still a possibility we can use some of these keywords. Of course, it does say that you just need to have well-structured and unique content. Now we have the option as well to select low-hanging fruit. Just under it, you see there, easy way to get traffic. And it again gives us a list of different keywords that's possible to use. There's some commercial there as well, so it works for paid SEO. So you will have to pay for it. As you can see, there's the cost per click, which is 1.6. Then there is AI optimization as well. And again, we'll have a list of different keywords here too. So that's pretty much how you go around doing some keyword researching. Again, just use all the tools here under keyword research. Now moving on to our next part, which is domain and competitor analysis. Now SEMrush makes it easy to research competitors. So in the domain overview tool, you'll just see it right here. Now you can enter any competitor's URL and instantly see their traffic, authority, keyword profile, and backlinks. Now, make sure that you go deeper into organic research. You'll basically see every keyword they rank for, how much traffic it brings, and what pages are performing best. Now, the reason why we use this is it helps us identify content gaps, keywords between competitors that rank, and we also use that data then to inform our content strategy and uncover quick win opportunities. Now you can also view paid search data if they're running Google Ads. That'll be useful for dual SEO and pay-per-click campaigns. So I've went ahead and entered in our domain name here, so profile tree, and again it gives us just a little bit of an overview. We can also compare domains. We can check the growth report and compare by countries as well. So gives us an overall idea what our organic search traffic is, our paid search traffic, backlinks, and traffic share. So again, it's really nice to keep a note of this. Again, you can also see how the website looks on the mobile as well. So currently, our search performance there is 103, 0 paid keywords, of course. Then these are our top organic keywords, which is digital marketing, MySpace, social media, TweetDeck, influencer. And of course, there's several more here. Then we do also have main organic competitors, and we could have a look through them as well. Again, it just gives us a bit of a graph on how our organic traffic is doing. So we can check this by days, or we can also check this by months as well. Again, you can just export that to be PDF if you want to keep a track of what's going on with the website. Okay, so the next one here is the backlink analytics and audit. Now, backlinks are still one of the biggest ranking factors in overall, just with the search engine results page, as well as the search engines. Now, in SEMrush, the backlink analytics tool shows you any site's backlink profile. Now, it goes through how many referring domains they have, what anchor text is used, and whether links are follow or no follow. Now, you'll just see it right here on the left side under link building. So just click on backlink audit. Now, the backlink audit tool helps you monitor your own profile. Now, it flags potentially toxic links, and it also lets you create a file for Google Search Console. Now, you can also compare your link profile against competitors. Now, this is helpful for outreach, planning, and understanding where your authority gaps are. So if I just enter a domain here, so once you've went ahead and added the login or the domain, sorry, then you could just select start backlink audit. Then of course, through here, of course, since we are using the free version, it won't allow us to use it here as we have already used it for the keyword overview, but you could see the toxicity score, insights as well. It also gives you pretty much just a complete backlink audit, which is great. At least then you can see, there you go, suspicious links that could hurt your rankings. Also keeps backlink data in one place, which is great. And yep, there you go. It'll monitor any significant changes as well. So that is pretty much what's good about using the backlink audit. But there you guys have it. That is pretty much how you would use SEMrush for keyword researching and how it'll help with your website as well as researching competitors. Now, if you guys have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.